Gas distribution systems require regular maintenance and oversight to ensure uninterrupted operation and safety. Even the most mundane leaks in a gas delivery system can add up to significant costs due to decreased efficiency or downtime. Specialty gas leaks are an even bigger problem. At best, they are expensive, and at worst, they can be dangerous. Let's look at common risks that can arise during design, installation, and maintenance for gas distribution systems and ways to mitigate those risks. Using a design that does not account for regulator creep can allow for seat contamination, which leads to downstream pressure rise, and that can be very detrimental for equipment that is only built to handle low pressure. There are a few things that can be done to mitigate this problem. Add a relief valve downstream to bleed off excess pressure. Deploy an upstream ball valve to deter regulator misuse. Add an upstream filter to catch particulates that might damage the seat. Deploy a simple vent valve behind the regulator and between the two ball valves to relieve pressure. Inadequate consideration for pressures, temperature, or media can also cause issues. For example, hydrogen with its small size can cause embrittlement or permeation, leading to system failure if systems are not designed correctly to contain it. Oxygen can also be challenging to handle as it can ignite if heat and fuel sources are present. Proper component selection is crucial to mitigate media-related risks. For example, in hydrogen applications, stainless steels that have a minimum of 12% nickel concentration can better withstand hydrogen embrittlement. For oxygen, brass can help prevent ignition. Your fluid system provider can help you identify appropriate ways to control other challenging gases. Inadequate assembly, testing, or installation can also lead to costly or unsafe failures. Basic leak inspection and testing can help prevent this. Consider using checklists to audit your work, initialing fittings after gap gauging, and using a buddy system during installation. Choosing pre-assembled and tested panels or subsystems can also help avoid errors. A lack of sustained oversight of the systems can also result in issues that cause downtime or safety hazards. Cross-functional ownership for system maintenance, with all parties having visibility to facility operations and best practices, can help. Consider using MRO systems that provide automated reminders for scheduled preventative maintenance. Regular audits of your gas distribution systems can also promote safety and cost savings in your operations. A careful examination of your gas delivery systems and the processes that govern their use may uncover opportunities to reduce risks. If you need assistance with audits, design, or troubleshooting, local Swagelok fluid system specialists can help. Contact your authorized Swagelok sales and service center or visit swagelok.com to learn more.